So now we're going to videotape what it was like for Dorothy before she had the stem cells 3 months ago. What was it like going down the stairs? So could you mimic what it was like before the stem cells?
Like this it was.
Alright.
But now I go like this.
Yeah. And the pain is how many % better after the stem cells doing the stairs?
Oh, probably better than 50%.
Wow, look at that. It's only been 3 months. Well, here you have it, folks. And you were actually scheduled for a knee replacement, weren't you?
I was, and I'm still scheduled for one in another 2 months, but I don't think I'm going to do
Yeah, it looks like we can cancel that. The stem cells are kicking in. We did do the Wharton's jelly, umbilical cord, laser guided stem cells 3 months ago. So we're going to keep on monitoring her progress. So after the stem cells 3 months ago, when did you notice you were able to go up and down the stairs without the pain?
Oh, about a month and a half ago.
Wow, that worked pretty fast. Okay, we'll keep on tracking Dorothy's progress. Thanks for watching.